Hi, and welcome to this quick tutorial on updating your category layout on the Operator app. Firstly, select Extras, and then from the Extras screen, scroll down to the Settings section. The default option is always selected, but if you wish to enable an additional layout for the subcategories, select the Multi-Level option and then press Back. This will then allow all menus to be selected and additional icons for the categories to then open up the menu items. If you wish to return back to the original default view, press Extras, scroll to Settings, and then select from the subcategories theme, select the default option, and then press Back. Thanks for watching.